Are you tired of messy spills and leaks when you transport your favorite foods? Introducing the Rubbermaid Brilliance leak-proof food storage containers. These containers are designed to keep your food fresh and secure, no matter where you take it. With 100% leak-proof BPA-free Triton lids and bases, these containers provide an airtight seal that prevents spills and leaks. The secure latches ensure that your food stays in place, giving you peace of mind during transportation. Not only are these containers perfect for everyday use, but they are also suitable for a variety of occasions and events, such as lunches, snacks, meal prep, parties, holidays, and more. The crystal-clear containers allow you to easily see what's inside, while their lightweight design makes them easy to carry. Plus, the stain-resistant material keeps the plastic food container looking like new and resists odors, ensuring that your food stays fresh and delicious. One of the standout features of these containers is the built-in vents located under the latches. These vents allow for splatter-resistant microwaving with the lid on, making it convenient to reheat your leftovers without the mess. When it comes to organization, these containers have got you covered. They stack perfectly on top of each other, saving you valuable space in your pantry or fridge. Say goodbye to a cluttered storage area and hello to a neatly organized collection. Cleaning up is a breeze with these containers. They are safe for the dishwasher, microwave, and freezer, allowing for versatile use. And to give you peace of mind, they come with a lifetime warranty. This set of 10 plastic food storage containers includes two 1.3 cup, two 3.2 cup, and one 9.6 cup containers, plus lids, giving you plenty of options for storing your favorite dishes. Please note that these products are designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. In conclusion, the Rubbermaid Brilliance leak-proof food storage containers are the perfect solution for keeping your food fresh and secure. With their innovative features and high-quality construction, these containers are a must-have for any kitchen. For more details and customer reviews, please check out the product listing on Amazon with the short link provided. https://amzn.to/3re4d33